And it's now time for the business day. Alliance Financial Services has suspended its initial public offering. The offer, which was to open on Monday, will now be available to investors starting January 28, 2021. The closing date is to be announced. In a release, Alliance Financial says after the publication of the prospectus on December 21, the directors of the selling shareholders were made aware of a matter relating to a separate entity in which they are connected parties. Alliance says the selling shareholders saw it fit to suspend the IPO with hopes that the matter will be resolved shortly. The company has on offer 1.2 billion shares to be sold at $1.59 each. Alliance intends to raise at least $1.5 billion. 1.2 billion shares will be sold at $1.59 each. The lab has posted a 34% jump in net profits for its just concluded financial year, reporting $127 million in profit during the period. The improved result came even with the company highlighting that COVID-19 restrictions negatively impacted some of the areas in its operations, particularly production. However, on the result, both an ordinary and a special dividend were declared for the lab shareholders. The declaration will see it paving out just over 7 cents per share on January 22 to all shareholders on record as of January 8. Stocks ended mostly higher today as investors continue to show confidence in the market, helping the JC index up more than 402 points. The junior market index went up 42. The best performers of the day were CAC 2000, Access Financial, CNWJ, Lasco Financial, and 138 Student Living. On the losing end were Salada Foods, Margaritaville Turks, Syginos Credit US dollar shares, iCreate, and the Caribbean Producers. Currency trading now, well, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $143.36. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $110.39. The pound now costs $190.88, while the euro is going for $176.52. And that's the Business Day International Stories. When we return, please stay with us.